Hello, my muses. How's everybody doing today? I am so excited to bring you a crazy, crazy announcement. I have been working away in the studio, getting lots of stuff done. Orders from the brush bath are going insane, guys. I'm going insane trying to keep up with these orders. I wanted to pop on really quickly. I know everybody's kind of crazy with Christmas coming and trying to get all your shopping done. I've had so many people just going nuts over the new scents that I have. And I wanted to let you guys know that I have decided to give all of my muses an amazing Christmas gift this year. I am going to be doing for the next 7 days, from now until Christmas Day, if you buy 3 brush baths on the online store, you're going to get one for free. So crazy amazing deal, guys. We have the peppermint candy cane. I was able to do another batch of them. We've got the original orange, and then I've got the 3 new scents. I've got the champagne toast, or the champagne dreams. I've got the lavender, and then I've got the lemon as well. So for the next week, only until Christmas Day, guys, if you buy 3 brush baths, you're going to get one for free. So get a brush bath for 3 friends, anybody who has makeup, anybody who has art brushes, so creative people, makeup lovers. It's a great Christmas gift to give to your creative friends or family, and you're going to get one free for yourself. So I will put the code in the video. So if you go to the store on artisticallymuse.com and you put 4 of them in your basket and use this code, you're going to get one for free. So basically, shop for 3 friends, get them an amazing original Christmas gift. It's the gift of the year for anybody creative, anybody who uses makeup, and you're going to get one free for yourself. So I thought that was a really crazy deal. I thought I would give all my muses a wonderful gift this year, and just make sure that you guys all get a brush bath. So like I said, I will put the code in the video once I'm done kind of broadcasting. And if you buy 3 brush baths in our store, you're going to get one for free. So you're going to add 4 to your cart. Whoops, sorry, 4 to your cart. Sorry, I'm crazy, like insane right now with orders. You're going to add 4 to your cart, and you're going to use the code, and you're going to get one for free. So Merry Christmas, guys. I'm going to pop on and say hello to everybody every once in a while. Hope everybody's having a wonderful day, not working too hard. Christmas is coming, guys. I know for some people it's a little more difficult than others this year, but you know what? We're all going to get through it. And yeah. So have a wonderful day, and look for the offer on our page or on the top of this video. And if you buy 3 for your friends or family, great stocking stuffers, great gifts for anybody for makeup, anybody who does anything creative, a crafter, and you're going to get one free for yourself. So I will talk to you guys soon. Take care.